Hi family, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is going to be a review and install of this beautiful wig. This hairstyle, as you all know, is my favorite style, but these curls are a little bit different and I'll get into that in a second. But these curls are beautiful. They're looser. The wig itself is absolutely gorgeous and I was just feeling myself, so I just decided to do a whole different look that you guys have never seen me wear before. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, then continue to watch. Okay, let's get started. So I have my hair in here. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the packet. Look at this beauty. Yes. I'm just taking the packing out. Also taking the net off. Ooh. Oh, it's stuck on my hand. Oh my God. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like from the inside. It has a comb here, it has one here, and then it also has one in the back. So let's jump right into it. Let's get to cutting this bad boy. So this is what the wig is looking like. The hair itself is very soft, which I love. You guys know that I love these curls, and this is what I've been wearing recently. So I'm just in love with this. So for this, what I'm gonna do is, as you can see, the lace is kind of lighter than my skin complexion. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of makeup on it. So I have a makeup brush here. I have my foundation, and this is MAC. It doesn't have to be MAC. That just happens to be what I use. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on here, and I'm only gonna be doing it to the front of this hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dab it on and then rub it in. Okay, so this is a perfect fit for me. See that? So I'm just gonna go ahead and try to lay my frontal down. So I'll put this up. You guys, I like to use the Got to Be Glued spray, but if you want your wig to last much longer, I would suggest using the actual I guess bonding glue, and you can find that on Amazon. You can find it at your local beauty supply stores. I just happen to like the Got to Be Glued spray, this one right here. But the only thing about this is, depending on how much you have on, when you sweat, especially if you sweat around this area, like on your forehead or your face, the glue tends to come off because that is how it is deactivated by water. So if you sweat a lot and you notice that, you sweat a lot in that area, I would say use a different kind of glue, like the actual bonding glue. This comes off very easily with water, and I always take my wigs off at night. That is why I like to use this. So that's what I'm going to be using today. So now I'm just gonna try to lay my wig down like so. So I'm just playing with it with my fingers, just making sure that the lace is laying down. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a scarf. And I'm holding this part because for some reason the ear areas are really hard to lay. So I don't want it to come out. But anyways, I'm just gonna take my scarf. I'm gonna try to tie it down as tight as I can. Not too tight to the point where you have a headache, but tight enough to really lay your unit down. So yes, I'm just gonna tie it down like that and let it be for a few minutes. This hair is so soft, guys. So soft. I am in love with it. It's beautiful. Okay, family, so it's been a few minutes. I'm gonna take this off. I hope we got it that time. I hate it when I have to do it over and over. Yep, looks like our wig is down. So I think we're good. Yeah, I think we are good. So I'm gonna take this out. So this is what our hair looks like. Oh my God, this, oh my goodness. You guys know how I love, love, love this kind of hair. Look at that. We don't even have a part yet. We haven't done anything to it. And it's just gorgeous, yo. This is so beautiful. I don't know how to wear this. I feel like I've done the side part. I feel like I've done the middle part. What should I do this time? Maybe I should do an updo. Let's do an updo. That's what we're gonna do. So I'm just taking my brush to brush it back a little more. Okay guys, so this is what we have. Let me pull this down. I'm just gonna do a little bit of baby hair and I think we should be good to go. So I have Eco Styler gel here. I'm gonna be using this toothbrush. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take our scarf off. And this is what we have. That's what that looks like. Or can literally just wear it to the side like that. Wear it to the side like this. That is it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like the video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already joined the family, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and also hit the bell notification button so you never miss another video again. And if you are interested in this beautiful unit, I will make sure to leave their link down below, and I'll also leave a discount code just like I always do, just to help you guys purchase the unit. So thank you guys again so much for your love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.